Welcome to the Healthy Secrets channel. You've learned the warning signs of low testosterone. You've seen the foods and drinks that can help restore it naturally. But what if your everyday habits are secretly working against you? In this video, we're exposing 5 silent killers of testosterone. Common routines you may not even realize are harming your hormones. And we won't stop there. We'll also show you 8 simple but powerful exercises that naturally boost testosterone, energy, and confidence. If you want to protect your manhood and feel your best, don't skip a second of this video. Before we dive into all the useful and exciting information, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any valuable videos in the future. Top 5 habits that lower testosterone. Number 1, not getting enough sleep. You can skip a meal for a day, but if you constantly lose sleep, your testosterone levels will plummet. Many people think sleeping less is a sign of being busy and hardworking. But the truth is, testosterone is primarily produced during deep sleep, especially between 2 and 6 a.m. If you regularly sleep less than 6 hours a night, your body won't have enough fuel to regenerate male sex hormones. As a result, you'll gradually start feeling more fatigued, experience reduced libido, have trouble concentrating, and your performance will decline in a silent but dangerous way. Not getting enough sleep not only lowers testosterone, but also increases cortisol, the stress hormone, which makes things even worse. That's why getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night isn't a luxury. It's a must if you want to maintain your masculine edge. You can hit the gym, eat well, take supplements, but if you sleep too little, all that effort will be in vain. Number 2, prolonged stress. You can endure pressure in silence, but your body cannot. When you're under prolonged stress, whether it's due to work, money, family, or relationships, your body produces a hormone called cortisol. The problem is, cortisol and testosterone are sworn enemies. When cortisol levels rise, it suppresses the production of testosterone, leading to fatigue, lack of vitality, reduced libido, and poor concentration. Modern men often don't speak up, but inside, they carry a heavy load of worries, expectations, and pressure to succeed. And without a healthy outlet, stress can quietly erode a man's inner strength day by day. You don't have to run from pressure, but you do need to learn how to release stress the right way. Get enough sleep, exercise, go for walks, meditate, or simply take a deep breath. Keeping a calm mind is the key to maintaining stable testosterone levels, and that means keeping your performance and masculinity strong. Number 3, sedentary lifestyle. If you spend most of your day sitting at the office, in the car, in front of a screen, your testosterone might be hibernating right along with you. The male body is designed to move, to engage muscles, to break limits. That's when testosterone is naturally stimulated the most. But when you sit for too long and don't stay active, your muscles go unused, your circulation slows down, especially blood flow to the testicles becomes stagnant, leading to a natural drop in testosterone production. You don't need to hit the gym every day, but if you sit for 3 to 4 hours straight without standing up, walking, or moving around, that's a silent habit that could be killing your masculine hormones. Just a 30-minute walk each day, or a few bodyweight exercises at home, is enough to wake your testosterone up. Don't let your body get used to being sluggish, because testosterone only thrives when you're in motion. Number 4, using BPA plastics. Men fear losing their edge, but very few are afraid of plastic bottles. It sounds strange, but cheap plastic products, especially water bottles and food containers, often contain BPA, a highly common endocrine disruptor. BPA, bisphenol A, can mimic the female hormone estrogen once it enters the body, disrupting the balance of male hormones. The result? Lower testosterone, reduced libido, and a gradual feminization of the body, all happening without you even noticing. You don't need to panic over every plastic container, but if you're putting hot food into cheap plastic boxes every day, or drinking bottled water that's been sitting in the sun, then you're basically walking into a hormonal conspiracy right in the middle of your lunch break. Simple solution. Use glass containers, stainless steel bottles, and choose products labeled BPA-free. A man's performance doesn't just come from the gym, it also comes from what you pack your lunch in. Number 5. Addiction to adult content. This is a sensitive topic that everyone knows about, but few are willing to talk about. So Healthy Secrets will say it for you, with honesty and respect. Masturbation in moderation isn't harmful, but if it becomes excessive, or if you become mentally dependent on adult content, your body will pay the price. This habit can disrupt the HPG axis, hypothalamus, pituitary, gonadal, the system responsible for regulating testosterone production. The result? Gradual decline in male sex hormones, weakened real-life desire, and a noticeable drop in mental energy. Simply put, your brain gets tricked into thinking you're living in a world of abundance, while your real body grows weaker. Not to mention, addiction to adult content can reduce your ability to focus, lower your real-life sensitivity during intimacy, and slowly disconnect you from your true self. Balance, self-control, and investing your energy in real relationships. That's how testosterone grows naturally and sustainably. Let your hormones serve your life, not the other way around. Now that you know the daily habits that silently crush your testosterone, it's time to take action. Because awareness means nothing without change. So let's flip the script. Here are 8 simple but powerful exercises that can naturally fire up your testosterone, boost your energy, and help you reclaim your strength and vitality. Top 8 exercises to boost testosterone in men. Number 1. Squat. If you could choose only one exercise to ignite testosterone, make it the squat. Squats are the king of all exercises because they target the largest muscle groups in the body: the thighs, glutes, and lower back. When you perform squats, your body receives a battle signal, triggering a powerful surge in testosterone and growth hormone production. You don't need weights. Just stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself as if sitting on a chair, then rise back up. Keep your back straight, breathe deeply, and feel the power surging from your legs. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, consistently 2 to 3 times a week, and that's enough to effectively trigger your masculine hormones. And remember this, as long as you keep squatting, testosterone will keep flowing through your body. Don't sit around complaining. Stand up, squat down, and do it again. Number 2. Deadlift. Deadlifts aren't just an exercise, they're a declaration of male strength. When done properly, deadlifts engage almost your entire body: back, legs, arms, and core, all firing together. And when these major muscle groups are powerfully activated, testosterone is naturally released as your body responds, recovers, and grows. You don't need fancy equipment. A pair of dumbbells, some heavy household items, or even a big water jug can become your hormone lever if you train the right way. Keep your back straight, push your hips back, bend your knees, grab the weight, and stand tall. Do 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps, 2 to 3 times a week. That's more than enough to wake up your testosterone. Deadlifts don't just make you stronger, they build grit, discipline, and the powerful feeling of conquering yourself. Number 3. Push-up. If you don't have weights or time for the gym, start with what you always carry with you: your body. Push-ups are a legendary exercise that every man has tried at some point. They directly target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also firing up your upper body and core, triggering testosterone production through consistent, full-body engagement. Most importantly, you can do it anytime, anywhere, in your bedroom, on the balcony, or even at work. Just place your hands shoulder-width apart. Keep your body straight. Inhale as you lower down, and exhale as you push up. Do 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps, consistently every day or every other day. When you feel tired, lazy, or unmotivated, just drop down and do 10 push-ups. Blood rushes to your chest, your heart rate spikes, and that masculine fire wakes up instantly. Push-ups aren't just an exercise, they're a way to remind your body, I'm still strong. Number 4. Plank. Want to boost focus, build inner strength, and raise testosterone without lifting a finger? Plank is the exercise for you. Unlike loud, explosive movements, the plank quietly activates your abs, back, and the entire core, the body's vital center. When you hold your body tight for just a few seconds, testosterone is released to help repair and rebuild the muscles that were just put to the test. More importantly, planking builds mental toughness. Hold a straight body position, elbows on the floor, tighten your abs and glutes. Don't let your body drop, and within 30 seconds, your mind will start to challenge you. Your muscles will shake, and your willpower will want to quit. But the longer you hold, the more testosterone you build, and the stronger your masculine grip becomes. Do it 2 to 3 times a day, hold for 30 to 60 seconds each time, consistently every week. Plank is the simplest exercise to train your spinal spirit, because sometimes holding a tough position matters more than constantly chasing something new. Number 5. Pull-up. If there's one exercise that instantly shows you where you stand on the strength ladder, it's the pull-up. Pull-ups demand full-body coordination, especially from your lats, shoulders, and biceps. These are some of the most masculine muscle groups, and the more they're activated, the more testosterone your body produces. Not everyone can do a pull-up right away, but don't get discouraged, because the journey from 0 to your very first rep is what truly builds character. If you don't have a pull-up bar yet, you can substitute with body rows, horizontal pulls, resistance bands, or pulling weighted objects. Start with 3 sets. Do as many reps as you can with proper form. What matters most is your technique and the commitment to stick with your routine. Number 6. Sprint. Want to burn fat, build strength, and boost testosterone all at once? Then run, but run like someone's chasing you. Sprinting is a form of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, scientifically proven to significantly increase both growth hormone and testosterone. Unlike steady jogging, sprinting pushes your heart, lungs, and entire muscular system to the limit, especially your thighs and glutes, 2 of the strongest hormone-producing zones in the body. The method is simple. Sprint at full speed for 20 to 30 seconds, rest for 60 to 90 seconds, and repeat for 5 to 10 rounds depending on your capacity. You can do it on a track, at the park, or even down a long hallway at home. When you run all out, your body thinks it's in survival mode and responds by pumping out testosterone to prepare for battle. Number 7. Jumping squat. Do you want to wake your body up, get your heart racing, and spike your hormones in just a few minutes? Jumping squats are exactly what you need. This is the combat mode of the classic squat. Not only do you squat down, but you explode upwards like a rocket. This move hits your quads, glutes, calves, and cardiovascular system hard, triggering a surge in testosterone after every set. Each jump is like a mini shockwave to your body, sending a clear message: I need power. Start pumping out those hormones. The technique is super simple. Squat down like a regular squat, then push through your legs and jump up. Land softly, then repeat. Do 3 sets of 10 reps, resting 60 seconds between sets. Note, if you have a history of knee injuries, make sure to warm up properly or switch to regular squats instead. Number 8. Dumbbell training. If you want to build a masculine, lean, and energized body, don't overlook those simple but seriously effective dumbbells. Weight training is one of the most direct ways to naturally boost testosterone. When you target major muscle groups like the shoulders, chest, and back, your body responds by releasing testosterone to repair and grow muscle. You don't need a gym. All it takes is a pair of dumbbells, 5 to 10 kilograms, or even 2 full water bottles to get started. Focus on basic moves like shoulder presses, back rows, chest presses, and bicep curls. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps for each exercise, done 3 times a week. What matters isn't how heavy your weights are, it's whether you stick with it. The more consistent your training, the steadier your testosterone levels. Testosterone isn't just a hormone. It's what keeps a man strong, decisive, and driven every single day. We can't escape aging, but we can choose a lifestyle that helps us maintain our performance, health, and masculine edge. Sometimes, it only takes a small habit change, getting better sleep, moving more consistently, cutting down on stress, to start your journey of naturally restoring testosterone. And every time you do a push-up, a squat, a plank, or lift a weight, that powerful hormone inside you is being reawakened. Start today. Don't wait until your body starts sending warning signs. Because a truly strong man is one who takes charge of his own well-being. Thank you for watching this video on the Healing Secrets channel. If you found it helpful, feel free to share it with your friends. If you're dealing with a health issue or have any questions or topics you're interested in, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming health updates here on YouTube.